I was afraid that I might never be able to write a better song, but I did. You know, I just checked recently and I discovered that I have, from one song, I have about 150 songs released. That's incredible. So thinking that I was afraid that I might never be able to make a better song than the original but I have. Too many times. I just want to say thank you guys, because my dream, yeah, can be my dream, but then if you don't support it, I will get there. So thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much so much for what you do. You already know I'm going to try anything. I'm going to try anything, but I'm grateful that you're sticking by this time. I'm a big holiday, I'm AG baby, I'm Chill Tequila, I'm Bad Boy, I'm what? I can't hear you enough. So they made this happen, you know, we just decided it makes sense, like 10 years a kid, let's give to people for free. So huge shout to Busha and people, big ups guys, thank you very much. Huge shout to Adidas, thank you so much. Pepsi, Philip, thank you very much, I love you guys. This means a lot to me. Indomie, thank you. I love you. I'll see you in 2025, by the way. I'll see you in 2025. I'm at the point where, have you guys noticed? I've been working out every 2 weeks. I'm missing working. Love mom. So, I'm at the point where I'm trying everything, I'm learning new things. I'm finding uncharted journeys inside, and it's been great. So 2025 is big fish time. 2025 is what? It's a big fish time. I'll see you in 2025. the best fucking manager in the world. Liz. Make some noise for Liz, please. No, that's not enough. Make some noise for Liz, please. And I'm sure all of you know Mutia. You know Mutia. And I'm going to